A very good morning to all. I am Abhijit Kaur Saharan. My dear students, before the starting of AV assignment, we are taking a pledge. You may speak with me in loud voice. Let's we start the pledge. I am Abhijit Kaur, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask or face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash our hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. After the taking of pledge, now we are doing English 1, chapter number 2. Name of the chapter is One and Many. Term one is used for singular and many used for plural. Term one is used as singular. Term many used for plural. One word is used for single term. Many term is used for more than one. Okay, my dear students, let's we start the topic. Circle the pictures that show many. सर्कल करना है अपने पिक्चर्स को जो ज़्यादा हैं. आपको जो भी पिक्चर्स ज़्यादा हैं उसको आपने सर्कल करना है. इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर यू हैव गिवन बैलून्स, मून एंड स्टार्स. जो भी पिक्चर्स में आपको जो चीज़ ज़्यादा लग रही है उसको आपने सर्कल करना है. बैलून्स आर मोर देन वन, मून इज वन एंड स्टार्स आर मोर देन वन. सर्कल बोथ पिक्चर, बैलून्स and stars because they are more than one. Circle it, balloons and stars. In the next picture you have given books, toys and doll. Which are the terms have more than one? Books and toys. Circle books and toy. You have given one telephone, one glass of water and two persons. You have circled more than one. More than one, which one is more than one? Two persons. Circle it, two persons. Is that clear? Now we will do further. In the second one, A, point, add s or es to these nouns to show many. आपने जो भी टर्म्स ज़्यादा हैं उसमें आपने अब s और es का कॉम्बिनेशन लगाना है. नाउ आई हैव क्लियर इट फर्स्ट कि s और es किसके साथ लगेगा. वी यूजुअली एड s टू सम नाउन्स टू शो मैनी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बुक, बुक्स, एप्पल, apples and tree, trees. And the next we add es to nouns that end in ch, csh, o, s, x and double s. You have used es with these end of the term. If you have given, then add these term with the es. For example, bench, benches, bush, bushes, echo, echoes, gas, gases, box, boxes and cross, crosses. Now we will start it. Add s or es to these nouns to show many. I hope you have to clear the concept of s or es. कि एस किसके साथ लगाना है और एस कैसे लगाना है. ठीक है. देन फर्स्ट पॉइंट, हॉर्स. द आंसर इज हॉर्सेस. H O R S
S, horses. The next, second point, fox, foxes, Foxes, foxes. The third point, pot, pots, Pots, pots. The fourth point, rose, roses, Roses, roses. The fifth point, brush, brushes, Brushes, brushes. The sixth point, potato, Potatoes, potatoes. The seventh point, boy, boys, boys. And the eighth point, peach, peaches. And the ninth point, branch, branches, branches. The 10th point, eagle, eagles. The next, boss, bosses. The 12th point, river, rivers. The 13th point, logo, logos. The 14th point, mango, mangoes, mangoes. The 15th point, bus, buses, buses. In the 16th point, phone, phones, phones. Okay, in the next point, B, tick the correct plural form. आपने टिक करना है जो भी plural form कम more than one term है, ठीक है. आपको 2 terms given है, potato. First point is given to you, potato. On the another hand, you have given potatoes with es and second one given with the s. Just choose the correct. Which one plural is correct? Potato. First plural is correct with spell potatoes. The second point, tomato. Which one is correct? First, write with the tomato with es. Tomato, write with the es. Tick the correct is that tomatoes. It's a correct spell of tomatoes. Third point, hero. The answer is heroes. Which one is correct? Heroes. And the fourth point, buffalo. Which one is correct? Buffaloes with the es. The second last, radio. Radio, which spell is correct? First one is radios. In the sixth point is the last point given to you is a video. Which one is correct? Videos with s. I hope you will understood the topic. Thank you.